Topic 9. When trademark should be filed. Trademark protection is a automatic protection. So theoretically, you should not worry about trademark protection as long as you are able to prove that you have a long running business in which you have been using a particular sign and symbol to identify yourself in front of customer as a different from anybody else. So long as you are able to prove that, you need not apply. But if you apply for a trademark protection, it is always going to give you that legal edge. You will be able to defend your rights in much better way. But then there is also a business angle to it. The marketing team will not ask you to go for registering a trademark every now and then. They will ask you to wait for the brand to develop and become a household name before they you go and invest in having a trademark registered. The trademark is going to stick to your product and services for a long time. And if you are also registering many trademarks, it can become a baggage which can affect you because you have a trademark, your customers know you by that trademark, but now you are not using it. Somebody may misuse it, they create a similar looking product and they can deceive your customers. So that is where go for the trademark protection is also a very important decision. Similar is the requirement for a domain name. Whenever you are selecting a domain name, what domain name which you are selecting is an important business decision because a domain name is also your identity. So it is all with identity. We say what is there in a name, but name is big business dollars here. So it is very important that you understand the difference between a brand and trademark and when you should go for the trademark protection. So here, let us see some examples which will make things clear. So as first I said is deciding trademark is an important business decision. It sticks to your products and services. It may limit your diversification at times in future. And if you are not selecting a right trademark, you can have a challenge where people will use it in the common use and then you will lose all the advantage. Xerox Corporation, they didn't promote the word photostat properly. They said just Xerox your document. And it became such a generic word that despite Xerox spending big dollars on the advertisement campaign, it became a generic word and Xerox lost that advantage of that trade name. Sometimes the trademark is designed poorly that it is difficult to protect it from any parody. And that is where it is very important that what trademark you are deciding. Domain name protection. Each business requires a digital identity and hence a company should take a domain name for not its own company name but for the most popular product or services also. That is the best way to protect your digital identity because many times customer may not search for the company name but they may search for the very popular product of that company, and that is where you should have registration of domain name in your most popular product and services also. Now let us see some examples here, like yellow boots for shoes. Is it a good trademark selection? I would say no. The reason is you are talking about boots and shoes. The people will not get any much a distinct character because of your selection. Relaxo brand for pillows. You may get see this as a good trademark, but again, Relaxo pillows both are associated with sleep. Are very not a very good trademark selection. Keep safe for locks may be good descriptive trademark which will tell that is, yes you can think keep things safe with your product, but again this trademark is a middle kind of a not a very strong trademark, not a very weak trademark. Superhero, a strong trademark, generally not used in the normal language. Yes, now superhero has become a common use and you cannot get trademark protection. But superhero was a trademark earlier. Safe banking under local services, not a good trademark. But guide for jeans. Now it has nothing to do with apparel. So guide is a good trademark for jeans. So this is how you can select a trademark. You can decide to submit trademark application yourself. So you just do the search that whatever sign and symbol you have that is unique, and then you keep all the proof of its usage and you submit the application. Hiring a trademark agent could be a good option because they will help you with the common set of knowledge, and they will also guide you to add more elements. They will ask you to add some specific color or specific font to make your trademark a unique one. And also with important with trademark is that how long it can be licensed. So that is very important because when you are licensing a trademark, you are actually licensing your reputation, and that is where you would require help of trademark agents to kind of define that what products and services you should take trademark for and what services and products you should not. With this, we go to the last micro session, that is the how the trademark disputes are resolved.